Welcome back, everyone. I want to share some video with you. This is a massive wildfire. It continues to burn near Utah-Colorado border. The Snyder fire began early Saturday morning and quickly grew to cover more than 28,000 acres. The video that you're looking at shows dark smoke towering over Farita, Colorado. That is north of Grand Junction. And right now, the fire still burning, out of control, no containment at this hour. And so, Scott, it has to be pretty tough. I mean, with the heat, also fighting a fire of this magnitude.
Yeah, you have a lot of things working against them. It's hot to fight the fire. The fire produces heat, and the hot conditions dry out the environment even more, especially out west. So it's going to take some time for that to get under control. Fortunately, we are not in that type of situation. We are dealing with the heat for us locally, but at least we have the humidity back in play for us. There's the view from our Savannah camera out along Highway 80 and the Bull River Bridge. We can see a lot of blue sky in that vantage point. So for that reason, temperatures have been able to warm up pretty nicely into the lower and middle 90s for most of us. It's actually raining at the airport. So in a few spots, we are also tracking a few isolated showers and a few thunderstorms. So for that reason, areas that are more toward the coast are a little bit cooler, but further inland, it is a lot hotter, 95 degrees for Glenville, but down the road in Jessup, cooling off to 86 degrees. The humidity is still a huge concern. Heat index values over 100 or even over 105 degrees. Statesboro right now feeling like 106 degrees. Same thing for Rankin, so definitely stay cool and hydrated, taking plenty of breaks. A couple of our counties, Montgomery and Toombs County, are included in a heat advisory until 8 o'clock this evening because of that possibility of heat index values well over 105 degrees. So what we are tracking right now, the sea breeze coming in, producing a few showers out in western Chatham County, but the heavier rain right now in the southern part of the area, now moving south of the Altamaha River, southwest of Jessup and Oda, moving into southern Appling County. Looks like some of that could hold together and move through parts of Bacon County once again, and that's what we will be dealing with over the next few hours. Just a few passing showers, maybe a few thunderstorms mixed in, but a drier pattern will set up for Wednesday and for Thursday. So Wednesday morning starting off with a mostly sunny sky. Temperatures will be in the mid-70s, quickly climbing into the 90s once again, 93 degrees by 4 o'clock. Some of us will be a bit hotter, and certainly when you factor in the humidity, it will be feeling hotter. So hot and humid for the next couple of days, mainly dry with respect to the rain chances for Wednesday and Thursday. The dangerous heat will continue with heat index values over 105 degrees for the better part of the next 7 days. And for the holiday weekend, for Independence Day, we keep it on the hotter side, but we also add in the possibility of a few showers and storms once again. So keep safe from the heat and also keep an eye to the sky. So mainly clear across the southeast. Most of the thunderstorms are now pushing a little bit further to the south to the Big Bend region of Florida. High pressure really building in, setting us up for much hotter afternoons over the next several days. The eastern half of the U.S. will be dealing with extremely hot conditions and possibly even breaking record highs over the next few days. What's going on is we have high pressure at the surface and an upper level high, creating a heat dome over the eastern U.S. So above normal temperatures are expected for the next several days, likely continuing into next week. I want to mention the tropics, that the system that the Hurricane Center that they've been watching for potential development well off of our coast now has basically a 0% chance of developing into something tropical in the way of a tropical depression or tropical storm. So that is good news. That means all is quiet across the Atlantic basin, including the Gulf and the Caribbean. For tonight, 75 degrees for low temperature, mostly clear. Very warm for tonight, and then going to the day tomorrow, hot and humid. It is going to be somewhat of a drier day with respect to those rain chances, but still humid enough that it will feel hotter than the mid-90s for many of us. It will be a good day to head out to the coast. If you have a boat, we'll have good conditions out there in the waterways. Northeast breeze up to around 15 knots, giving us seas around 3 to 4 feet. All in all, not too bad. Those water temperatures warming up to 85 degrees. So a mix of clouds and sunshine for Wednesday and Thursday. A bit hotter, especially as we head into the weekend, but those storm chances start to increase just a little bit, especially for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday of next week, with those temperatures staying well above normal. That's a check of your forecast for now. We'll have more coming up.
Scott, thanks.